PayPal Business Debit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how much flexibility the PayPal Business Debit Card offers for managing your business funds. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just another debit card, but the surprising truth is that it combines instant access to your PayPal balance with cashback rewards, making it an excellent tool for small businesses and freelancers. The card allows you to spend directly from your PayPal account anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Every purchase earns 1% cashback, which may seem modest, but it adds up fast for recurring business expenses. There are no monthly fees or annual fees, which is ideal for startups or small businesses trying to minimize overhead. One of the strongest features is the ability to withdraw cash from ATMs using your PayPal funds. While there is a small fee for out-of-network ATMs, in-network withdrawals are free, offering convenient access to cash when needed. Many users overlook purchase protection and fraud monitoring. Since the card is backed by MasterCard, you get the standard protections against unauthorized charges, along with detailed reporting in your PayPal account that makes tracking expenses seamless. The catch? Because it draws directly from your PayPal balance, overspending isn't possible, but it also doesn't help build credit. If your goal is to improve business credit, this card alone won't do it. Verdict: worth it for businesses that need direct access to PayPal funds, cashback on everyday spending, and fee-free banking. Leave it if you want credit-building benefits or more robust rewards.